First and foremost, I recognize the presence of guests of honor, chief guests, special guests, invited guests, distinguished guests, our shining star Monica Yuol, not forgetting you ladies and gentlemen. Before you here, I am Ajak Alma, ready to present to you a poem entitled Keep Reaching for the Stars. Keep reaching for the stars. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Oh, Monica Yuol, you have reached the top. You have reached your goal. Number 1 in Africa, position 9 worldwide. Your writing skills have left us in awe, filled us with pride, like full of fallen memory. You supply power and light. Your words illuminate the world, shining so bright. You are as valuable as a gem, as precious as a diamond demakwat. Your talent and artwork truly worth celebrating and admiring. Your talent and hard work truly worth celebrating and admiring. Monica Yuol, keep reaching for the stars. You have made your mark. You have left a lasting impression. Your success in the competition is truly a blessing. Monica Yuol, we celebrate you and your achievement. Your writing prose has brought us all great excitement. Keep shining, keep writing, keep reaching for the stars. Your talent and dedication will take you far. Monica Yuol, you are a true inspiration. Congratulations on your well-deserved recognition. Congratulations on your well-deserved recognition. Monica Yuol manyonga nyene jang di tebur. Ini kecil ngor, ini kecil ngor. Ini kadau ne Afrika. Ini kadau ne Afrika. Yang abin bay, yang acin belek. Cara beping kumbing abedai. Quran yena cabelwel. Cara beping kumbing abedai. Quran yena cabelwel. Nyanda mama keda temegak. Nyanda uda ulian patem. Nyanda unebany. Thank you for giving me your ears. May God bless you all.